Hi guys, welcome to this Pyraminx LBL tutorial. LBL, which stands for layer by layer, is a method that's really similar to the beginner's method, with one difference. At the end, instead of solving the top with one algorithm to put each place into piece and one algorithm to flip them, you solve the top with only one algorithm. Even though this method is way slower than L4E, you can still get pretty good times with it with a bit of training.
Nice.
To get to that level though, you need to know how to do efficient block building on Pyraminx, and you need to know how to do basic inserts instead of just doing sledge and edge. Basic inserts are especially important for the last lot as it makes you skip last layer. So in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you the 5 last layer cases, so the 2 flip, this one, and its mirror, which is this one, then this one, and its mirror, which is this one. To show you how important it is, for this case, instead of solving it with 3 steps like this, which takes 24 moves, you solve it like that, which takes 6 moves. Okay, so first case is a 2 flip, which you already know from how to solve the Pyraminx tutorial video, which will be up here. So the all goes like this. Then we have this case. So for this case, you recognize it because all 3 edges look flipped and they need to go counterclockwise to be solved. Another way of saying it is to say that if we turn the top layer, every edge is solved, but not the center. Actually, you also know this alg from the how to solve the Pyraminx video. So the alg just goes like this, and it's the alg you use when 3 pieces are in the wrong spot. And we have this one, which is a mirror case of the case you already know. So the idea is that instead of going counterclockwise, the pieces need to go clockwise to be solved. So as it's a mirror case, the algorithm is really simple to learn. So instead of having to do down and left, you need to start by doing up and right. So up, right, down, right, up, and right. Moving on, we have this case. So to recognize it, you see that there is one bar here, a second bar here, and that the back edge looks flipped and can be solved if you turn the upper layer. You can recognize it from its mirror because on this one, the bar in the front is on the left, and on the other case, the bar is on the right. Another way to tell is because on this one, all the pieces need to go counterclockwise to be solved. So the all goes like this: down with your right hand, right, up with your left hand, left, down with your left hand, and up with your right hand. Even though this case might seem difficult, it's actually quite fast after a bit of practice. Next, we have its mirror case. So for this one, all the pieces need to go clockwise to be solved. Same as the mirror case, the back edge can be solved by turning its top layer. The all goes like this: down with your left hand, left, up with your right hand, right, down with your right hand, and up with your left. So while this method won't get you world record, you can actually get some pretty decent time with this method. As proof, here is an average I got using this method without using any block building or more advanced inserts. So the final average is 3.98, which can actually get you podium at most comps. If you have any questions or requests for future videos, please write them in the comments. And thank you for watching.